This is the start of something very special. Welcome to another video from me, Ste Hamilton, and in today's video you're going to see what happened on Saturday at our Stage Talk networking event. It was the first one that we've ever done. We planned it, we executed it, and now you're going to see it in full. Duna, do your thing.
Not really, no.
What is going on? And there's one where we just
Yeah,
was?
I just thought that, but when...
Just got here, Park Regis. This is the site of our Stage Talk networking event. The biggest event we've ever done, and I think it's going to be the biggest event in the property sector in the UK, if I'm completely honest. Behind that door is the room. Can't wait to show you. Come and take a look. Welcome to the Park Regis. This is the most amazing venue for our first ever Stage Talk. This is where the stage is going to be. This is where all the speakers are going to be. The views, the setup. It's costing an absolute fortune. Ticket sales do not reflect what you guys are going to get on the night. We've charged £20 a ticket. It's costing £100 a head per person. That's just the basic for food and drinks and stuff like that. We're going to cover some drinks. There is a bar that is going to be accessible to people at home, and they are going to have to buy certain drinks out of theirs. We'll figure all that out as we go along. This is the first site visit we've done to it. I'm so excited. I know what it's going to look like. I can imagine it. I viewed it in my brain before we even got here because we knew what this room was like. I'm so excited for you guys to come. There's a lot to do to build up. It's not just about getting the venue. So you guys are going to see all the way through from start to finish. It is the 15th of February and we are here at the Park Regis Hotel in Birmingham. We are doing a pre-production setup, test, going through everything with everybody. We have all the speakers here, all of them have been in. We have some food downstairs now where we're going to go through all the questions and stuff like that. We've had the hotel manager, the two events managers, and we've talked about where the stage is going, where the speakers are going, where the screens are going. More tables. Guys, these tables that are here now are only half of what's going in here. It's been a great day. So let me go downstairs, catch up with the speakers, and I'll speak to you soon. Quick catch up. We're at the Park Regis and it is 5 days before the event. And it's the first event that we've actually done of this size and magnitude. The ones that we usually do are 80 to 100 people. This has got a lot more to it. There's a lot more production involved in this. There's a lot more setup in this, and I actually didn't realise how much stuff goes into creating a Stage Talk networking event. It's really, really difficult. The production alone is a job. Then getting the food, organising that for 220 people. We have a great team around us. Everybody has pulled the weight. Duna, Ams, Phil, Tom, me and Isabella, people outside who have helped us massively. So it's all coming together. Like I said, we're 5 days away. It's going to be one of the biggest, if not the biggest, property event in the UK, and it's going to grow into the biggest. So I'm excited to show you guys what we have actually created because it's incredible. But the next time you see me, it will be on the day when we are here hosting our first Stage Talk networking event. So see you then.
and they've got a passion for what they do. Anyway, let's welcome up on stage Ste and Isabella.
Guys, it's 9 o'clock and starters have come out. Mains is going to be here in about 15 minutes. Wow, what a turnout. Unbelievable. The dress code was adhered to impeccably. Everybody's on point, everybody's happy. I mean, you can hear it, listen to that. This property circle has got momentum. We are who we are. It's a year old. We're huge already. You watch what we do in the next 2 years. Take a look at this and I will catch you at the end of the night. And that's a wrap. It's 12:05. The event has finished. What an unbelievable night. Everybody is still here. Nobody wants to leave, which is a testament to how good the event was. Everybody pulled the weight. Duna, Ams, Phil was absolutely amazing. Ifraz and Anita have been unbelievable. All the speakers were incredible. Who else? Matt Murray as a host. Wow, fantastic. Made the night what it was. And obviously my Isabella, she put a lot of effort into this and she's literally just behind the camera. I'm very proud of what she's achieved. This just goes to show that if you create a network of people and everybody has the same mentality, this is what can be achieved. Taking money off people to teach them things and be part of networks and really not giving anything back is where a lot of educators in the UK fall short. Whereas with what we're creating here, you can see the family unity that we have at the Property Circle, and I'm really proud of everything that we've achieved, and I'm really proud of my team, because without them, this isn't possible. End of the night, I'm going home, I'm going back into my tracksuit in the next 5 minutes as well, and these guys have been absolutely amazing. The production here was on a whole different level, but I will catch you soon, and hopefully you guys come to the next one, because the next one's going to be even bigger than this one. So see you soon.